Not bad.
Scars are the mark of a true warrior!
That's what I like to see.
Blood! Double kill!
You're in bad shape. Time for the healing lesson. When your health is very low, you can use your recall skill to return to base. Your hero's health and mana are restored quickly at your base. Use the healing dew behind the outer towers to recover health.
Old?
You can also use your recovery skill to restore some of your lost health. Now let's get back onto the battlefield.
Killing spree!
Towers are extremely dangerous. Let's learn more about how they work. When an enemy tower's range marker is yellow, it'll attack you if you enter its range. When you are targeted by a tower, its range marker will turn red. Get out quickly! A tower will attack the first unit that enters its range. Let a minion enter the tower's range first. It's safe when a tower's range marker turns green. When you attack an enemy hero within a tower's range, the tower's range marker will turn red, and the tower will attack you.
Slain.
Defeat the enemy hero and take out their outer tower.
Some big hit? Count me in!
An enemy has been slain.
Strength! Make sure...
Towers hit incredibly high! Get out of there!
The team has destroyed a turret. Rampage!
Watch out!
Crush them!
Go in the brush to hide from enemy units. An enemy hero is approaching. Wait for him to come a little closer. Use your skill after I've crowd controlled him. Now! Towers hit incredibly high! Get out of there!
Make sure you get enough iron!
Your team has destroyed a turret.
That's what I like to see.
Godlike! Double kill! Triple kill! Quadra kill!
Towers hit incredibly high! Get out of there!
An enemy has been slain! An ally has been slain! Your team has destroyed a
Nice!
turret.
Victory is within reach. Destroy their crystal!
Victory!